Alright guys, we got the Razer Wolverine V2 from COSTCO. I wasn't going to pick this up, but I was walking around COSTCO and I saw this was actually quite cheap. I think it was about £50. It's a wired controller for your PC, so I'm just going to open it up and really check it out. I have no idea what I bought. All I did was a quick Google to check it is actually cheaper in COSTCO than anywhere else. I needed a controller anyway for my setup anyway to play on the PC for racing games. So I thought I'd check it out. Opening up the box straight away, you got the controller right here at the front. The key thing that I can see is that these buttons here are all mechanical. It's got a nice little click to it, which you can probably hear here. Like that. So yeah, nice little clicky feeling on it. Apart from that, it's just your standard Xbox controller. It is wired. So let me just pull this out. So yeah, standard kind of Xbox controller. We got these two buttons on the back here. Essentially this one here that does the kind of quick triggers. So if you see here now, try and depress this. It's got the like really low range on it. Can remove that now, and you can see we got the full extension for racing games once again. Overall, quick first impressions. Controller feels good. Got some rubberized grips here on the side. You know, always feels good and nice in your hands. We've got these two buttons here at the top as well, actually, which seem to be programmable. So yeah, I mean, for £50, I'm not going to complain. That's about the same price as like an Xbox controller. Obviously being wired does make it a little bit more convenient when working with a PC if you don't have that kind of Xbox adapter, that you normally need. So I don't know, I'll follow up with this once I've actually got to use it, but just quick first impressions. Got it from COSTCO in Hayes, so worth checking out. You know, could be a good deal, especially if it's like £50.